Welcome to Goldstone Finvest. I am Prabhat Majumdar. I would share today's market update. Today, on the day of weekly expiry, Nifty turned lower after a positive start and extended losses in the afternoon to close at a lower level. Thus, it was observed that Nifty opened higher at 15,238 and hit an intraday high of 15,250, but after a couple of hours, it wiped out all the gains to touch the day's low of 15,078. In the afternoon, though it made some recovery in the late trade, it ended lower to close at 15,119. The reason for downtrend in the market was dented by weak global cues, rising US bond yields and an increase in coronavirus cases in some parts of the country. Our experts observed that the index formed a bearish candle for the third day, as the closing was lower than the opening level. Experts expect selling pressure to extend if the index decisively breaks the crucial support of 15,000. Though initial support was placed at around 14,600. It was seen by our experts that intraday traders initiated short below 15,078 and looked for a modest target of 14,980, whereas positional shorting opportunity started to arise for bigger targets on a close below 15,000. Experts also analyzed that this selling shall get further accentuated if the bears manage to push the index below 15,000 levels on a closing basis. They further reviewed that in such a scenario, initial support is placed around 14,600 levels. Interestingly, this support is also coinciding with the post-budget day bullish gap zone of 14,469 to 14,336 levels. In-depth studies researched that in case a corrective downswing unfolds, realistic targets should be somewhere in the 14,600 to 14,300 zone. Thus, if Nifty sustains above 15,000, it should remain range bound between 15,000 to 15,400 levels. Then in this regard, strength should be expected if the Nifty manages a close above 15,250. Hence was the observation by our experts. Studying up ahead, India VIX was marginally up. The options data suggested that an immediate trading range for the Nifty should be between 14,800 to 15,300 levels. Detailing on the options front, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000 followed by 15,000 strike, while maximum call open interest was at 16,000 followed by 15,500 strike. Put writing was seen at 15,100 and 15,000 strikes, while call writing was seen 16,000 then 15,000 strike. Taking a look at today's Bank Nifty opened positive at 37,088 but failed to hold above 37,000 mark and drifted lower to hit the day's low of 36,367. The rate sensitive index widened losses as underperformance continued. The index settled the day with losses of 36,587 and formed a bearish candle on the daily scale. Thus, our experts analyzed that the Bank Nifty continues its formation of lower highs, lower lows of the last two sessions. Now, it has to cross and hold above 36,500 levels to witness an up move towards 37,000, then 37,350, while on the downside support is seen at 36,250 and 36,000. Having an overview on the stock front, a bullish setup was seen in few of the banking and finance, gas and power and engineering sectors, whereas market observed weakness in few auto, ancillary and realtor sectors. As stated by Goldstone experts, traders should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop losses and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. Follow support and resistance levels along with trading call as published on our Telegram channel. For regular update, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube and Telegram channel. Also follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and also be a part of our Facebook family. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.